How to use Character.AI. So hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and let's see how we can actually use this new AI which is called Character.AI. After getting it from Play Store or App Store, you just simply create a new account, and then you would be able to see different AIs over here who you can chat with. You can also create a new character, and it could be any character. It can be from your real life too, so you can just name it and also give a profile picture to it. Suppose you want to talk to one of your friend who might not be in this world anymore, you could just simply create their character, add their profile picture, or you could just add your crush and add her photo and talk to her. But there are different options available. You can also search for different AIs. Now let's see what we have got in this AI. So first of all, you will see the featured list over here. Here you will find the character assistant and some AIs like Lily and the other ones. Super Mario is also there, and a psychologist is there, Elon Musk is there, Tony Stark. All you have to do is just select them, and after that they will come up with their opening line, and just type whatever you want to talk to and just start chatting with them. This way they would be able to remember what you have said. So in future, whenever you start talking to them, they would still be able to remember what you have said earlier, and the conversation could take different turns. So it is quite impressive. Also, when you click on this option of featured, you will be able to see a list of different AI categories. Now you can simply click on any of the categories. Suppose you want to understand history or learn history, you can simply click on history over here. And now you will see different characters from history. Just select them and talk to them. And also there's a history teacher. If you want to learn anything about history, you could just simply select this teacher and talk to this teacher about any historic event then that you always wanted to learn about or know about. There are many historical characters. The famous ones are also there. Just choose the category according to your requirements or interest. Suppose you click on helpers, you will be able to see different helpers or AIs who could help you with different domains. There is a life coach also, and a Mathematica which will help you solve maths problems. Just get back, and all the chats that you will be chatting with different AIs will appear over here. Then you can just simply click on it and see what you have talked about. And if you want to search for any AI, you could just simply search over here. Suppose you want to search for any football related AI, just search for football. And now you will see all the AIs that are related to football. Just talk to them, or you could also create a one which is related to football, and you can make it public so other people could also use it. We will see about how we can create an AI too, but first let's see our profile. Over here, this is our profile. All the characters that we have created, whether public or private or unlisted, will appear here. If they are public, they will appear on public list, and if they are private, they will appear on private list. And just get into your settings to change your display name or username. You can change other settings also. Now let's see how we can create a character. So first click on this option of create. Now you need to name this character. Suppose I want to add a character which is named after Pikachu, so I would just name it Pikachu and click on next. Now I can upload a picture of Pikachu also in order to give it a matter meaning to the name, and this way I would be able to talk with Pikachu no matter what the language will be, maybe Pika Pika or anything else. I'm just clicking next for now. And after that, you could also give what the greetings from Pikachu will be. So let me write Pika Pika and click on next. Now I can make it public, unlisted or private. It's up to me. Let's make it private for now to show you how it actually works. So there are other options also given to us, like image creation. If we want this particular AI to create image for us, then we can simply tick this mark, and also add subtitle to this particular character and all the other stuff related to this particular character. We can also define this particular character and their characteristics. Then simply click on create and wait for it to load. After that, this AI character will come up with the line that you gave it up, So I just gave Pika Pika to Pikachu, and now we can talk around. See, I gave the image generation capacity to this particular character, so it is able to generate images. And this is how you use this particular application called Character.AI. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.